I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to clean a concrete floor for glue down tiles. Now for this job, you'll need a couple things. For this job, you'll need some water and also a mop or scrub brush depending on how big your area is, and a rag. The main thing we're trying to do here is just remove all the dirt that's sitting on top of the concrete. Of course, we sweep the floor first. After that, we're going to go ahead and mop the floor. So we'll apply quite a bit of water so that way it can help pull it out of all these grooves and crevices. After that, you'll take your scrub brush or mop and just begin to scrub the area to help pull out all that dirt. Now while the floor is still wet, we're going to take our rag and actually just wipe up all of the excess water from the concrete, and that will actually remove all of the dirt from on top of the concrete rather than just letting it dry there, having to do the process again. Now before installing your glue down tiles, you want to make sure that your concrete is 100% dry. Maybe throw some fans or a dehumidifier, open some windows, get that moisture out of the concrete. That way your glue can stick to your concrete with no moisture underneath, which might cause mold. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Thank you all for watching, and good luck with this project.